I stopped believing, on the run and hiding from myself. And the gifts I was receiving, I gave them all away to someone else. But you're keeping my heartbeat beating, my heartbeat beating. You're bringing me back to life. You're keeping my heartbeat beating, my heartbeat beating. You're bringing me back to life. Oh. Got so disconnected from everything I ever thought I was. And then you told me you'd protect me, and that's the closest that I've ever felt to God. Yeah, you're keeping my heartbeat beating, my heartbeat beating.